Today I'll be testing out a way to calm down my cat during long car rides. Just to give you an idea, my cat is one of the most difficult cats to deal with. He pukes, he poops, and he just hyperventilates and foam starts coming out of his mouth whenever he rides a car. He's just that scared. So yeah, I'm trying a new backpack that will help me get my cat safely and without giving me a nervous breakdown throughout the way, because he literally meows for 3 straight hours non-stop, and it's just too much for me sometimes. So yeah, I hope this really works. I researched it really well and I think this is the perfect way to do it. See? He's asleep. He's not meowing. Oh my god. Usually when we go to the village, he keeps meowing all the way. He won't shut up, even if I sing to him, even if I play with him all the way, he still meows constantly because he's super scared of car rides and the sounds the cars make when we pass by them, especially these kind of sounds if they're buses. But today he's super calm, and it's because of this bag. It's really dark, so he just went to sleep. It's amazing. I'm kind of shocked. I don't know if you can see this, but the bag that I got has a zipper on the top, so I could put my hand and pet my cat when he's scared. Now we're in a road. I don't know if you can see the view, but it's we're in the middle of the mountains right now. There are a lot of twists and turns. The road isn't well built, so my cat gets super scared right here. So yeah, in that sense, petting your cat is a great option. He's still sleepy right now, although I could notice he started getting scared when the car started vibrating too much. He started panicking, and I could notice he's panicking because he started looking left and right a lot. So what I did is I opened the bag from the top and I started petting him. Look at him, he's a good boy. He's a brave little boy. And I couldn't really do that with the other bag because it just had one opening, the door and then in the front. And when I wanted to pet him, I would either have to open the door and then he would panic more and want to get out. So I wouldn't do that. I would just put my fingers in the cracks of the door. It wouldn't really work. I couldn't really reach his head. I could just reach his paw. And you all know that cats love to be pet on the head here and under the chin rather than the paw to feel really safe. Oh, sweetie, it's okay. You're doing great. Because he was such a good boy, I'm gonna get him food. He didn't meow. He meowed probably twice for 2 seconds the whole time. We made a pit stop to the supermarket, so I'm gonna get him cat food, especially wet food. He loves that. He loves wet food and he's being really picky these days. He's not eating kibbles. So yeah, the Prince of Asia demands wet food.
2 hours later.
Look at my fabulous cat. Look at him. Look how well he did. We're home. So excited. The big reveal. Yalla. Let us get out of the backpack. Yeah. Well done. He did so well. What a champ. You're a champ.